Okay, if you're anything like everyone, then you want to develop your coffee sensory skills. If you're like me and you're asking, how do I develop my coffee sensory skills? This is a great way to do it. You want a controlled environment, paired matching coffees. So similar sourcing, similar roasting, and pairs that you can compare. What we've done on this kit is we've paired together 2 grades of coffee, specialty and commercial, 2 roast levels, lighter and darker, 2 processing methods, washed and natural, and 2 species, Arabica and Robusta. And so by comparing A, B, you can cup, smell, and identify clear differences between coffee qualities, coffee processing, coffee species, coffee roasting methods. But if you want an easy way to have a controlled kit or you enjoy variety, check this out. All right, now let's dive into this kit. Let's dive into these cups.